Before creating inventory orders, it's important to ensure that your suppliers are properly set up in QBO. This allows you to quickly select the right supplier when creating purchase orders and track your purchasing history. To set up suppliers for inventory orders, navigate to the Suppliers page from the left-hand Expenses menu and by selecting Suppliers. This is where you will manage all your suppliers. Click the New Supplier button in the upper right corner and enter the supplier information such as name, email, phone, payment terms, and any additional information or instructions related to this supplier. Once you have entered the supplier's details, click Save to add them to your supplier list. At Flourish Bakeries, the team ensures that all key suppliers for essential baking ingredients like flour, sugar, and packaging materials are correctly set up in QuickBooks. This setup includes their contact information and payment terms to streamline future purchase orders and ensure that inventory orders are processed without delays. Creating purchase orders allows you to request inventory from your suppliers and ensure that your stock levels remain optimal. QBO makes it easy to generate and track purchase orders. To create a purchase order, go to the New Transaction button by clicking on the plus New button in the upper left corner and then selecting Purchase Order under the Suppliers column. Choose the supplier from whom you're purchasing the inventory. If the supplier isn't listed, click plus Add New to create a new supplier profile. Enter purchase order details such as the shipping address, terms, product or service, quantity, rate, and any additional notes or instructions related to this order. Once all the details are entered, you can either save the purchase order as a draft or send it directly to the supplier by clicking Save and Send. Once your inventory arrives, record the items received to update your stock levels and ensure the purchase order is closed accurately. To record received inventory, go to the Suppliers menu from the Expenses menu and by selecting Suppliers, to locate the supplier whose order you're receiving. Find the relevant purchase order and click on it to open. In the purchase order screen, click Copy to Bill to convert the purchase order into a bill. For each item, enter the quantity you have received. If you have received a partial delivery, record the number of units received. Click Save and Close to update your inventory levels and record the bill. QuickBooks automatically updates your inventory levels based on the items received. When Flourish Bakeries receives a partial shipment of baking supplies, they promptly record the received quantity in QuickBooks. This ensures that their stock levels are updated in real time and any remaining items on back order can be tracked so the team knows when to expect the rest of the shipment. Managing your inventory orders involves tracking order status, ensuring stock availability, and making timely payments to suppliers. To manage and track inventory orders, view open purchase orders in the Expenses menu and filter by purchase orders to see all open orders. When receiving partial shipments, keep track of the remaining quantities to be delivered. Please be sure to track payment due dates by ensuring bills for received inventory are tracked in the Bills section to avoid late payments.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.